Good morning and welcome back. Today's a very exciting day. Pardon me, it's a little early in the day. I'm heading out to North Van to see my buddy Fab. He owns West Coast Off-Roaders, and I'm getting an extended range tank installed that I discussed on my previous video. So yeah, this is gonna really help out on the trail, even day-to-day, commuting. I daily drive this, as I've mentioned before. Sometimes you have those adult fail moments where you don't want to fill up on the way home, but sure regret it the next day. You just push a button and you're on your way. So stick around. I'm gonna make the drive. Tag along. Let's go. You can see driving from sunny White Rock to North Vancouver. Let's get this going. Well, the tank install was a success. I've had a little bit of time since the install to familiarize myself with it, and it's pretty awesome, I have to say. Very effective. We you know, did the typical adult fail and forgot to top up the tank the other day. And when I left in the morning, I was like, man, I didn't have time to stop for gas. Just a simple push of the button. And I had a full tank of fuel by the time I got to where I was going. So definitely comes in handy for that. Very excited to see how this works out on the trail. I think it's the ideal accessory for what we like to do. Instead of carrying, you know, the fuel canisters on the side of the Jeep. Now it's 70 liters underneath. The other tank was like 10 liters. So it's going to be a big step forward on those longer journeys. Definitely looking forward to trying it out on the next trip we've got planned in a few weeks. So with this auxiliary tank, you can easily come down here. This is your meter for how much fuel you have in your tank. You simply engage the auxiliary tank. You can hear it click on. And it will then begin to fill your tank. It's not an incredibly fast process, but it's fast enough. You can see that it's slowly going up. You can engage this while you're driving. And then when you're done filling up, you simply just push the button, and that's it, that's all. On April 5th, you'll have a chance to come down to Willowbrook Chrysler and chat with Fab, who owns West Coast Off-Roaders. He's the one that helped me get the tank installed. Hit him up with anything because honestly, they do really good work in there. No complaints. I did have this all nicely filmed out. Sunny day earlier today. You'll see now. I accidentally filmed it in slow-mo. Sometimes that happens, but that's all right. It's inevitable once in a while. Thanks for tuning in again, everybody. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a like. Be more to come, so I want to make sure that you're subscribed and following along to join in on our fun adventures. Anyway, this is Destination Nowhere signing out. Looking forward to chatting with you on the next one. Bye.